Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Mercury knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over. I'm just going to put a fold in there. Bring it over to the center. Come around and over like this. Let me tighten that up a bit. So this is what we have so far. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this skinny end through this right here. And I'm using a knit tie. It doesn't matter what kind of tie you use for this. I just chose to use a knit tie. So now what I'm doing is I'm bringing this down, and it's kind of going down a little bit. I kind of want it to do that. Not too much, but that's just right. Then I'm going to have this come out in front like this. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my finger here and come up. I want this to kind of be a little compact. So now I have this. So I'm going to pull this more toward the side like this. Put this through. Tighten it up. And then I'm going to want to fold this in half and come over here like so. And I'm out of tie. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my collar down. I'm going to kind of want to adjust it a little bit, see what we can do to make this a little bit more unique. So we have this here. I want to kind of fold this now that this has been like this. I want to kind of fold it in half. And kind of pull it back here a little bit. Kind of open up this a bit. And that, remember that loop that we made going back down underneath this? So I'm going to go in, I'm going to pull that out. I'm going to kind of scrunch it up or fold it in half or whatever, just kind of make it a little smaller. Kind of poke it out there. So there we have that right there. There's your knot. It's going to kind of, it'll look a little more solid or crisper with a regular tie. It's a knit tie, so the material's not as sturdy. But there you have your Mercury knot. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll catch you in the next video.